Hey everybody, welcome back. Episode 6, bonus episode, the API trap. So this one does get a little bit more technical, so bear with me. And if you are technical, you've probably had a conversation with your CSMS vendor about how they run an open system because it has an API. I would ask your vendor and be very precise with your questioning about that, because having an API and having an open source ecosystem with the full API first architecture are two very different things. So an API on a closed platform lets you integrate with their black box, lets you push data in, it lets you pull data out, it lets you connect applications, trigger whatever action really the vendor who designed that system has decided to give you access to do. Doesn't help you, and it doesn't really let you actually touch how the platform processes an OCPP message, or to add your own handler to see what's actually happening under the hood. So in earlier episodes, I told you all that I wanted to highlight how Citrine OS and Topaz EV are doing things a little bit differently. More importantly, why they are built differently. So we expose a true modular, event-driven architecture built around a message broker and a message router. Moreover, the entire thing is open source. So your team is not limited to whatever hooks, broker, or code a vendor might have built for you or is providing to you. You can extend the actual business logic yourself. Plus, with our licensed options, you can have access to the core source code. An example of this is really the difference between renting a home and owning a home. If you want to change something, remodel, build an addition, you're not asking permission of a landlord. You can actually act and make changes when needed. Things change pretty fast in businesses, especially scaling ones, and what you needed yesterday might not be the same as what you need today. Those are circumstantial changes that can disrupt and force business decisions to be made. Our approach gives you the flexibility to change the software to fit the business, not change the business to fit the software. And this is not a theory. This is happening today in the EV charging technical community. And take a look at the Citrine OS public GitHub repository. There's an actual open request from the community for an official Helm chart to deploy this straight into a Kubernetes cluster. That is a real engineering team that is treating this as infrastructure they run, not a subscription they log into. The S44 engineering team and our flexible approach to licensing options accommodates these types of requests so our users can build their vision and not accept someone else's. So no vendor-controlled API tiers, nothing gated behind a pricing plan, and if you ever want to actually audit it, really read the code behind the security claim, instead of just taking someone else's word for it, you can. It's already OCA certified for core and advanced security, so that audit trail is already there if you need it. An API gives you a door into someone else's house. This is giving you the blueprint to build the house, or even the house pre-built, ready for you to move in. All you have to do is pick your paint color.